reverb is a powerful tool that can add depth and space to your mix. However, if not handled correctly, it can also make your mix sound muddy and unclear. Here are 2 in-depth tips to help you unmuddy your reverb and achieve a cleaner mix. Use sidechain compression on the original sound. Sidechain compression is a technique that can help you control the level of reverb in your mix. By applying sidechain compression to the original sound, you can duct the reverb when the original sound plays. This means that the reverb will be less prominent when the original sound is playing, helping to prevent muddiness. Add reverb to a send and use sidechain compression. To use sidechain compression effectively, add reverb to a send and then add a compressor to the send after the reverb. Select the sidechain source as the original sound. This will ensure that the compressor is reacting to the original sound and not the reverberated signal. Duct the sound of the reverb as the original sound plays. By using sidechain compression in this way, you can duct the sound of the reverb as the original sound plays. This will help to keep the reverb from overwhelming the mix and making it sound muddy. Use EQ to high pass and low pass the reverb. Another effective technique for controlling reverb in a mix is to use an equalizer, EQ, to high pass and low pass the reverb. This means removing certain frequencies from the reverberated signal. By doing this, you can make room in your mix for other elements. Avoid reverb in the low and high end of the mix. Reverb in the low end can cloud a mix, making it sound muddy. By using an EQ to high pass and low pass your reverb, you can ensure that it is not present in these areas of your mix. This will help to keep your mix sounding clear and defined. By following these tips, you can use reverb effectively in your mixes without causing muddiness. Remember, it's all about balance. Too much of anything can be detrimental, so use these techniques sparingly and always trust your ears. Leave a comment with your own tips and what tips you would like to be covered next. Please tickle that like button and hit the bell and subscribe for more no-nonsense tips.